Good day everyone! Welcome to our first day of class. Today, we will learn the nature and scope of economics. It is very important to understand the main goal of the subject before we go to the different topics within the field of its study. So let us learn first, why do we need to study economics? Economics seeks to answer one of the problems or conflicts by nature, and that is, we have unlimited needs and wants while we have limited resources. So how can we satisfy our unlimited needs and wants if we have limited resources? And because of this natural problem, it also created several sub-problems: scarcity, shortage, poverty, inflation, and many more. And that's why we have economics, to understand and seek an answer on the said problems, and also to analyze the movement and importance of economy. And now, we will expand our learnings about economics as a social science and as an applied science. Economics is everywhere. As an individual, we start our day like asking yourself, what did you eat today? Or what gets you up in the morning? Or checking your feelings today? These are only some of the questions that we need to decide. And in a bigger picture, we also try to be organized or manage ourselves in decision making, our time management, and even our worldview. Economics comes from the Greek word oikonomia, which means household management, meaning your supervision in various tasks and chores associated by organization and management, such as managing your time between your role at home and job. Another, when we say economics, it deals with the study of allocation of scarce resources to answer the unlimited human needs and wants. Economics can be seen into two disciplines. First is economics as a social science. Economics deal with a one aspect of human behavior. For example is consumer behavior, dealing with our basic needs to survive. For example is budgeting our money in our daily expenses. Another is how people deal with problems of scarcity. And lastly, some of economists consider economics is the queen of the social sciences because it gives creativity and beauty to manage and to be organized our society. Another, economics can be seen as an applied science. Applied economics is the application of economic theories and econometric in a specific setting and models in real life. Applied economics created economic theories to use as a methods and analysis to answer a certain contemporary economic problems. Applied economics is the discipline that must be observed the application of the two branches of economics, such as the microeconomics and macroeconomics concept. It is important to understand the field of economics because it helps us to understand human behavior. especially humans as a consumer. All humans are consumer. Therefore, most of the people deals with consumption and production of goods for daily living. Another is to improve our decision making by means of organizing and managing our tasks and responsibilities as part of our family and your studies. Another is to answer contemporary social and economic problems, or how humans responds and deals with the different economic problems like poverty, unemployment, corruption, and inflation. And lastly, to be a good citizen in our society by following rules and regulations in our society and the relationship of the people or the citizen to the government. It is very important to economics that we are aware on the different phenomenon in our society. And let us learn how to exercise and be responsible to our rights and obligations.